approaching the water now. Steady, steady.
Splashdown confirmed. Start the descent profile.
We pour our hearts into entertaining you.
Yeah.
Subscribing is the best way to support our efforts.
Yeah.
What's the status on the forward cameras?
Adjusting gain now. Slight
All right, team, maintain position. We're seeing movement at the 100-meter mark.
Roger that. Bringing it up slowly.
Hooks are set. Taking tension now.
Watch the lines. Depth now 198 meters. Ascent rate steady at 0.5.
confirmed. Maintain course and tension.
Salvor, this is the recovery team. The target has breached the surface.
Understood. Maintain ascent profile.
Steady as she goes, Mr. Johnson.
All right, lads, bring her down easy. Watch your step down there.
Crane, easy on the tension. We're clear on the fiber optic.
Roger that. Lowering to the surface.
So the digital twin maintenance and anoxic storage protocols should secure the Jeep for the next century.
What about the accelerated climate change models? How are we preparing for that?
The XRF data confirms the presence of black magnetite on the chassis.
Good. Let's move to the engine block analysis now.
We pour our hearts into entertaining you.
Yeah.
Subscribing is the best way to support our efforts.
Yeah.
scientific gain. The scientific gain justifies the sectioning. We need that internal data.
We cannot sacrifice the principle of reversibility.
Wait, is that Cobalt 60? That shouldn't be here.
We have identified the 1943 formulation, complete with the lead-based dryer and titanium dioxide white within the enamel.
We remember John H. Miller, Albert L. Taylor, Charles E. Wilson, and Frank J. Davis.
The hood features a smooth, curved surface leading to the textured rubber of the steering wheel.
Oh.
The scale feels accurate.
Annual exposure is steady at 50,000 lux hours, well within acceptable limits. We can reduce display lighting by
Action!
The recovery of this Jeep was a monumental task, highlighting the incredible conservation work done by the museum team.
See the steering wheel? That's where the soldier sat.
Yep.
And that's the coffee cup he used, and it went all the way to the bottom of the ocean. Can it drive? No.
Not anymore, but it served a vital role in 1943.
Yeah.
Look at the detail on the engine.
And this was found with the wreck, son.
James Morrison, fireman. Robert Chen, wipers. William Katz, messman.
July 14th, 1944. The heat is unrelenting. It's been 3 months since it...
We pour our hearts into entertaining you.
Yeah.
Subscribing is the best way to support our efforts.
Yeah.
Help! Somebody help us! Get off the
the ship! To the lifeboats!
Thank you. Now, are there any questions regarding the recovery timeline?
Yes, Doctor.
Given the depth, what are the ethical considerations?
Pressure and time. Deep sea preservation as archive. A comparative analysis of the Coral Victory Jeep case study.
Welcome, everyone. The recovery of this vehicle, weighing 9,140 tons, allows us to connect with history in a profound way.
80 years ago, the SS Coral Victory was lost. Today, we dedicate this space to the 8. This restored Jeep represents the circle of production from the assembly line.
I built that.
Settlement, we believe the educational impact warrants the calculated risk, particularly the public benefit.
50 million is significant. We need.
Everything is sealed and logged. Here are the chain of custody forms.
Thank you, Doctor.